The primary ingredients for aloo paratha include maida or gehun ka atta, 2 cups, and water. Flavor enhancement is achieved using namak, naf teaspoon, lal mirch powder, naf teaspoon, haldi, naf quarter teaspoon, garam masala, naf teaspoon, and awain, naf quarter teaspoon. The filling requires aloo, 3 medium, boiled, piyaz, 1 medium, chopped, hari mirch, 1-2, chopped, and hara dhania, 2 tablespoons, chopped. Ghee or oil is necessary for cooking the aloo paratha. All ingredients are essential for preparing authentic and flavorful aloo paratha. Atta, 2 cups, and namak, 1/2 teaspoon, added to a mixing bowl as the initial ingredients. Water is gradually added to the dry ingredients while mixing to initiate dough formation. Continuous mixing and kneading are essential to develop a soft and pliable dough. A well-kneaded and smooth dough is the desired final state for optimal texture and consistency. Covering prepared dough with a damp cloth allows it to rest. Resting the dough for 15-20 minutes allows the gluten to relax. Relaxed gluten makes the dough easier to roll. The resting process improves dough handling and final product texture. Boiled potatoes must be thoroughly mashed to achieve a smooth consistency. The absence of large lumps is crucial for the desired texture of the potato filling. Mashing ensures a uniform texture, essential for the final dish. Proper mashing technique is necessary to break down potato solids effectively. 3 medium-sized potatoes are sufficient for creating the potato filling. The mashed aloo base requires the addition of several key ingredients. Chopped piyaz, onion, is added to enhance the flavor profile. Chopped hari mirch, green chilies, are incorporated to introduce a spicy element. Chopped hara dhania, cilantro, provides a fresh, herbaceous note. Namak, salt, lal mirch powder, red chili powder, haldi, turmeric, garam masala, and awain, carom seeds, are essential spices for seasoning. Even distribution of ingredients is essential for a well-balanced filling. Thorough mixing ensures all ingredients are fully incorporated into the mashed aloo. A well-combined filling results in a consistent flavor profile throughout the dish. Proper mixing technique is crucial for achieving optimal filling texture and taste. After resting, the dough is divided into equal portions, known as pedas. Each dough portion will be used to make 1 paratha. Equal-sized dough portions ensure consistent paratha size and cooking time. Dividing the dough into pedas is a fundamental step in paratha preparation. The initial step involves taking a peda, a small round mass of dough, and gently flattening it. After flattening, a small well or indentation is created in the center of the dough. A spoonful of aloo filling, typically a spiced potato mixture, is then carefully placed into the prepared well. The quantity of filling should be appropriate to ensure proper sealing and prevent bursting during cooking. This process prepares the dough for subsequent steps in creating a filled culinary item. The edges of the dough must be carefully brought together to completely seal the aloo filling. Complete sealing of the dough prevents filling leakage during cooking. Ensuring no gaps or openings is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of the dough. A properly sealed filling ensures even cooking and flavor distribution. The sealing process is a critical step in preventing the dough from bursting open. The filled dough ball is gently flattened in preparation for rolling. A rolling pin is used to evenly roll the flattened dough into a paratha. Rolling the paratha evenly ensures it does not tear during the cooking process. Consistent pressure and technique are essential for a perfectly rolled paratha. A tawa, or griddle, must be heated over medium heat before cooking paratha. Ensuring the tawa is sufficiently hot is crucial for proper paratha cooking. The tawa's temperature affects the paratha's texture and cooking time. Consistent medium heat allows for even cooking and prevents burning. The rolled paratha is placed on a hot tawa for cooking. The paratha cooks on each side for a few minutes. The paratha is cooked until it starts to turn light golden brown. Flipping the paratha ensures even cooking on both sides. Consistent heat distribution is essential for uniform browning. The light golden brown color indicates the paratha is ready. Applying ghee or oil to paratha on the tawa promotes crispness. Ghee or oil application facilitates the browning process of paratha. Even distribution of ghee or oil ensures uniform crispness and color. The fat content in ghee or oil aids in heat transfer for optimal cooking. Crispy and golden brown paratha indicates complete cooking and enhanced flavor. Applying ghee or oil on both sides ensures comprehensive crisping. Paratha should be cooked with occasional flipping until both sides achieve a crispy texture. Consistent flipping ensures even cooking and prevents burning. Gentle pressing with a spatula promotes uniform heat distribution across the paratha's surface. The desired endpoint is a golden brown color, indicating thorough cooking and optimal flavor development. Uneven cooking results in some parts being undercooked while others are burnt. Achieving a crispy texture enhances the overall eating experience. The cooked paratha is carefully removed from the tawa. The paratha is then placed onto a clean plate. The plate provides a stable surface for the freshly cooked paratha. This process ensures the paratha is ready to be served and enjoyed. Proper handling maintains the paratha's integrity and presentation. Aloo Paratha is traditionally served hot. Dahi yogurt complements Aloo Paratha with its cooling effect. Akar pickle adds a tangy and spicy flavor to Aloo Paratha. Makan butter enriches Aloo Paratha with its creamy texture and flavor. The combination of Aloo Paratha with dahi, achar, or makan creates a balanced and satisfying meal.